Hello, my name is Hannah from Somerset Libraries, and for our Summer Reading Challenge weekly craft, we're going to be making some silly slime. This is some we made earlier today. Please make sure you get an adult to help you with this, and we're going to show you the step-by-step process right now. So first of all, you will need 240 millilitres of PVA glue, 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, a tablespoon of eye solution. Please make sure it contains boric acid and sodium borate, and then any paint, food colouring, glitter or anything you want to decorate your slime with. We're going to use this blue glitter paint today. Okay, so off we go. Also make sure you have a bowl and a spoon as well, that will be good. So first we need to take our bowl and add the glue. I've already put it in here ready to go. And now we need to add in the bicarbonate of soda and beat it together. Okay, just going to pop that in there. And then I'm just going to mix this together. Show you how it looks in here. Okay, once you've done this, you're going to need to add any colour, glitter or scent to your mixture. We're going to use glitter paint to change the colour. I'm just going to show you as I pour it in here. Just going to do a little bit and we'll see it slowly change colour. And you can add as little or as much colour as you like. I quite like the look of this colour so far. I'm just going to give it a quick mix there. Okay, there we go, and that's how it looks. Now finally, we need to take our eye solution and add that in. So I'm just going to do that very carefully a minute. Okay, that's all added. And now you need to mix this in until it becomes stringy and starts to pull away from the side. So you can see that's starting to happen there already, but I'm just going to make sure I've really mixed it in as well as I can. If this doesn't happen straight away, you can always add a little bit more eye solution until you get the desired consistency. So it's starting to pull away from the sides, which is good. I think because it's sticking a little bit here, I'm just going to add a very little bit more eye solution, but that's okay. Just add it on top and keep going. It's very sticky, very slime-like, and as you can see there, it has properly come away. So at this point, oh, stuck to the spoon, that's okay. We're going to need it with our hands. It will be sticky, but the more you knead it, the less sticky it will become. And as you can see, we've got our nice desired texture. And I'm just going to knead it a little bit more. It is a bit sticky. The more you work it, the more it will come together. And other things you can add some lavender oil for fragrance, you can add glitter, or if you want to add food colouring to change the colour, that's something else you can do. So here we go, nice slime texture there. And that's all mixed together. And there you have it. That is our homemade slime. Just going to pop it back in our jug and we are all finished. So thank you very much for watching our video today. Please like and share it, and don't forget to follow us on social media. Please go to Somerset Libraries Bridgewater Facebook page, or on Twitter at Somerset Lib, or on Instagram at Somerset Libraries. Thank you very much.